What is up, guys? This is Little Mad Tiger, and I'm actually going to be doing a little video here on a website called Codecademy. I've heard a lot about it. I love the website. I actually use it myself. A lot of other people use it, and they're actually starting to use tutorials as well. So it's also teaching a lot of people the introductory versions of every single language that is offered on Codecademy. Let's also remind ourselves that this is also the EGC website, and you should go into videos, and then it will be under latest videos, my next video called Codecademy Reviews, this video right here. So let's jump right into it. So I like Codecademy because of their simple layout, very nice, very simple. Their dashboard, so their dashboard will actually include lists of languages that you are currently learning or have already completed. Remember that. And then for course list, you can either get started with the HTML and CSS, or you can go to view all courses. And then through view all courses, you can see everything from building websites with HTML, CSS to responsive design and Sass. Sass is a syntax language of CSS, an upgraded version per se. Learn how to deploy and make a website thoroughly and efficiently. Learn programming, so you can learn basically everything from game development to design to basically if you want to create something new with code. Definitely a version to go from JavaScript to Watson API. Watson API develops more for insights from users. JavaScript deals a lot with functionalities and actions on a website or version of code. Java deals a lot with developing for self-driving cars, a lot of back-end web server code as well. Python can deal with anything from design to writing code to figure out like the direction of cards, something like that. PHP is definitely a server coding language, not a server script. A server script we would consider like Go or ASP, basically Ruby. Definitely a language you should learn if you're looking to develop professional web apps. And now we get into building web apps. So if you're looking to make it more extensive, not make it too ambiguous for you, if you're looking to kind of launch your own site and kind of learn the basics and learn more of the structural languages behind web app development, you can do languages like jQuery and Angular, React.js, 2 parts because it's pretty big, and then Ruby on Rails and authentication, basically the frameworks of web app development. And then analyzing data, this is basically what I do. We query databases and then we try to find information based off of querying databases. We also can create functionalities in SQL. I use my SQL community, especially with my work. We get emergency tickets from our emails. We have to log into the MySQL community. We launch the query and we develop a query based off of, like, let's say they're looking for an overdue payment from between 2016 and 2017. So we have to load everything from basically the 1st of January to the 31st of December. And that loads every person who has overdue payments and how much overdue payments they have. And also SQL is great, especially if you're looking to become a data scientist. So data scientists actually work a lot with archaeological people. They work a lot with oil companies too, trying to figure out like the rate of pollution that is causing like the earth to heat up, and they're also looking for more efficient ways to produce this in their oil industry. And they're pretty important people, you know. They're not people to ignore because they know the stats, they know the math behind everything. So, and then we go into development tools, learning the command line, basically learning how to load everything, to JIT, basically learning how to file different projects of your own from different codes, and it's a very essential tool, a lot similar to GitHub. So, and now let's go scroll down to the bottom. If you're looking to hop any courses, you can go to Learn to Code. Resources, I'm going to check out those in a sec. Codecademy, you can learn what it's about, their mission. You can learn people who've used Codecademy. And if you're looking to actually get hired with Codecademy, I know they're hiring for the California area, specifically, or probably New York area preferably, for developers and also software engineers. So pretty important field to be in as well. So let's go to the forums. Great forums, a lot of trusted moderators. I would definitely consider them 5 out of 5, very helpful individuals. They're handpicked and invited from the Codecademy team that usually gets paid. This is a volunteer position apparently from Codecademy moderators. You can do everything from welcoming yourself to factual information to if you're stuck on a certain part of code, you can ask questions, get answers. And then also you can also do, I believe they offer a community meetup type service. So basically you can either join up a previously made community meetup and you meet up like once, twice a month, or you can create one for your area. That way people in your area can get more involved, especially if you guys are more into code. I know you probably have to be 18 years of age or older, so if a lot of you aren't 18 or older, definitely something you're going to have to wait for. And then let's go to the last but not least. Let's go to view my profile, top right. Let's go to browse all projects, and then basically you go to my code bits. If you're looking to practice your HTML, CSS, and JS, this is a great tool to use. You can create your own basically platform layout, whatever you want to do. And then if you want to launch it on a real site like this, you can kind of just copy paste the code. You can copy it to GitHub or JIT, and JIT can load the file onto your coding platform or panel per se on your actual website. I know websites allow user development code are InVision, XN40. I know also GoDaddy does it as well sometimes if you get the premium package, and that's about it. Alright guys, thank you very much for this video. Remember, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be back as soon as I can. До свидания.